Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to learn how to program an advanced schedule. So let's click on Schedule Control, Create Schedule, and then in the top left corner, let's click Deliver Schedules. Once again, you'll see the words Advanced, Easy, Saltwater, and Freshwater. So let's go ahead and click on the first one, Advanced SPS Reef. And you can see straight away there are a lot more time points to play with throughout the day. Up to 6, the 6th being a moonlight. So the difference with advanced controls is that you can hone in to each individual time of day and really get into detail on the spectrum that you want for that particular period throughout the day. So as you click each time period throughout the day, you can change the start time and end time, so it can gradually and very slowly and perfectly transition to the next time point. And you can also do a step time where it jumps automatically once that hour is hit. And because the app perfectly transitions from one time point to the next, programming all your devices takes seconds. The last time point is dedicated to an all-off setting, or if you so choose, a moonlight setting. The way the moonlight works is based on geographical location and the current moon phase in your area. A new moon will be all LEDs off, quarter moon will be slightly on, half moon slightly brighter, and a full moon will be the brightest setting. So let's now move on to saving your settings, which we've been through in the previous video. We can click on the Save button, save your new schedule, and name it whatever you would like to call it. No need to choose public. And then you've successfully saved your setting, but you have not uploaded it. Your previous setting is still uploaded, as you can see by the red text. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.